I have never been more stable in a boat before until this. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is my first video for the start of the canoe season for me, but not just any start, a very special start. This is first trip out of my new one. So if you're curious what I'm doing and where I'm at, come along with me and we'll talk more into it. See you soon. This is just a glorious day. Just didn't start too. I'm not gonna say much yet, but it's awesome. Out here on the water, fishing in a new type of boat. I'm in a place I haven't been to like 25 years. Long time. I used to come up here a lot when I was a kid. So I drove all the way up north to go pick up my new boat. Now I'm out here on the lake with its first time, just paddling around, looking at the fog, sitting on top of the mountains, hearing the geese, watching the ducks fly, tossing a line in. I swear I can't get any more sweeter than this. I'm like, yeah, I catch fish, but I'm gonna be out here for a while, so still out here to have fun. It's amazing. There's some deer in front of me at the edge of the lake. GoPro wouldn't be able to catch it. But kind of like paddling in this cove right now. Trying to stay away. Rangers are out there on the other side. They're like doing circles at the moment, so they're getting the water like all chopped up. This feels like a good area to like kind of troll my line and do some fishing. Enjoy the deers out there. They don't know I'm here. It's truly awesome. I'm really excited to be doing this again. still learning all the curves and just this thing. Getting in and out of it, how it handles. No dog with me. Bruce is at home. I wanted to learn it by itself without him and no additional weight besides some of the gear that I have. So I decided to leave him at home. He was not too happy about that. Who would have thought? I guess I could talk about this. So, this is my new Swift Canoe Pack 13.8. It's Expedition Kevlar, so it only weighs 30 pounds. It's very lightweight. I like it already. I also bought a new paddle to go with it. A paddle called Vapor Quest. It like has an extender, so I can extend it, rotate it, kind of all that fun jazz. So lots of new stuff. So where did I pick up a Swift Canoe at? Some may wonder. So I knew that they're made in Canada, and I heard that they only have certain retailers in the States that sell them. So I decided to reach out to Rutabaga Outdoors. They're in Wisconsin. And they told me that they had one left. They have a truck that comes out here twice a year, a company called KAS Transport, and it was coming in a week. And also this is a pre-tariff boat, so the price has not changed until their next shipment comes in, and then the tariffs kick in and the price goes up. I was planning on doing this next year for when I make a return trip up north, and I felt like that I had such a small window that I had to do it. So I set up the deal, paid for the boat, called KAS, they picked it up. Hayden was the driver, and now I'm up here paddling with it in a place called Horsetooth Reservoir. So I actually met Hayden up here in Fort Collins and picked it up from him from up here. Ooh, I'm getting my first waves. So he is kind of having a little bit of a issue with some things, so I was already planning on coming up this way, so I just thought, it worked out perfectly. Come up, pick the boat up, and then so forth, so forth. And now here I am. So I appreciate everybody who's helped me get this, make this possible. So here I am, out here having fun, and I have a whole lot of stuff planned for this, so let's go enjoy ourselves. Well, the good news is I just got hit with some pretty big wake from the boats, and my other boat would have been pushed pretty hard. This one just whoop, like it was nothing. I had some big waves rolling towards me. Boat handled it very well. I'm impressed. So far, very impressed. I've only ever dreamed about owning a Swift Canoe. I've heard so many good things about these type of boats. And this is a pack boat. So this is one of the pack boat series. And I'm going around the other bend, and then from there I'm gonna kind of circle around and fish and see what happens. I don't know. Just out here and enjoy the day, kind of speak. I really don't remember much about like where we camped at exactly. I mean, it's been 25 something years since last time I was up here. We used to come up here a lot when I was a kid. We used to boat, camp, fish. Time we stayed up here for a whole week in a camper and crammed it up with the whole family, playing card games. And this is also where I had a really cool RC boat. Like, I was really big in RC stuff when I was a kid. And there was a break in the weather, and I asked my dad about going out there and playing with it. Well, we got out pretty far and the battery died. It's kind of like a day like this, cloudy. Water is cold. And so he tried to go out there, but his idea was to take some rocks and try to throw it around the other side and try to get the wake to push it back. He ended up hitting it, and I literally kid you not, that thing sunk like the Titanic. Being a kid, I was traumatized. I was ready to go out there and grab it. It sunk, and then not too long later, we tried to come back up here for a camping trip. Oh boy, here we go. And the lake was like empty, like completely bone dry. I don't know what the rangers are doing, but it looks like they're out there having fun.